Our 5 minutes are up. Let's check out how it did. It's working.
Well, hey, Mark.
Nice to see you.
You know, with the holidays coming up, a lot of people have cleaning the house on their mind because of guests that could be coming over. A lot of that cleaning happens in the kitchen, and you've got a few tips on how to do that. And the first tip you say is just to break out the vinegar.
One easy way to keep a microwave clean, the inside of a microwave typically gets splattered from food and tomato sauce and other things. One way to clean the microwave really effectively and really easily is to put a dish of vinegar and water. It's about 2 cups of vinegar and 2 tablespoons of water inside the microwave. Turn it on for 5 minutes, and at the end, you're going to be able to just easily wipe away whatever's left.
It's working.
Tip number 2, now that we've cleaned the insides of the appliances, let's talk about the outside.
We use baby oil to polish stainless steel. So once you've cleaned stainless steel appliances, and many people have got stainless steel in their kitchens, we clean it and then use baby oil, which gives a great polish. You just want to go in the same direction of the grain of the stainless steel. It does a great job of polishing.
Tips on how we can quickly clean up the kitchen before those guests arrive. Thanks for joining me, Mark.